The best way to stop gum recession is with professional dental intervention. Modern dentistry has various ways that can help reverse your receding gum lines. But there are also various home remedies and natural ingredients that can help reverse your receding gums. Since gums are organic tissue, they have the ability to heal. Oil pulling. Oil pulling is a great way to naturally reduce plaque and prevent gingivitis. All you need for this is high-quality coconut oil or sesame oil. Put a spoonful of one of these oils in your mouth and swish it around for 20 minutes. The swishing pulls the oil and the plaque that sticks to it off your teeth. After 20 minutes, spit the oil out, rinse your mouth with warm water, and brush your teeth. Vitamin C. Vitamin C deficiency can result in gum disease, inflammation, and swelling. If you don't have enough vitamin C in your diet, eat more broccoli, lemons, oranges, peppers, and tomatoes. Green tea. According to a 2009 study, drinking green tea can help promote healthy teeth and gums and may actually ward off disease. Try drinking 1 to 2 cups of green tea daily. Peppermint essential oil. Peppermint essential doesn't just smell nice. It also prevents microorganism growth in your mouth that could cause serious damage like gum recession. In terms of prevention, peppermint essential oil is an effective ingredient for a receding gum line. Flossing. Flossing 1 time per day is an essential part of taking care of your teeth and gums, helping remove debris between teeth that can contribute to plaque buildup. Turmeric. Known for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, turmeric contains curcumin and may protect against plaque and gingivitis, 2 major culprits behind receding gums. Hydrogen peroxide. Similarly, rinsing with a mixture of water and hydrogen peroxide can help treat receding, sore, red, and swollen gums. 2 or 3 times a week, mix 1/4 cup of water with 1/4 cup of 3% hydrogen peroxide and rinse your mouth with the mixture for 30 seconds. While natural remedies are a great starting point, make sure to visit your dentist if you notice any signs of receding gums. Your dentist may recommend scaling and root planing, flap surgery, or grafting to help save your gums and teeth.